Are you looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, 19-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, body color wheel flares, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 11,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, ParkSense rear park assist with stop, anodized gunmetal interior accents, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5545.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.